So now we would request Madhu Deborma, please come here and take the honor. A very big round of applause, please.
다음으로 뭐 다음은 왜?
Thank you so much, everyone.
Oke, kan tate busong tiningka 6 tarik August 2026 Breza katal sok pajak single piece Khairpur Suromo teise tongkangke norok mukhang nuk sinai busuk naitok to makalar sok pakya tabo oro tongnai rok yang phumila yang jo to phaine rok kaisa phan boma hai kalar nuk yakho turbo engine phu ka turbo engine abo youtube bo thangai turbo engine boma hai nai ne biside atro dam kangke 7,39,000 7,39,900 ani bisingti na khangkangke 2,000 rangri honai nongdo tabu video khale tabung no booking khlaidi e series rok free pan mani mano.
So, myself Rima, I'm a quality care manager of Pallavi Motors Agartala. Everyone, very warm welcome to everyone present here. We are very excited for this launch because we are going to launch the new Brezza. So, are you guys excited? Okay. Thank you so much. So, let's begin. First of all, we are going to felicitate our honorable guest, Madhu Deborma, our social media influencer, Tista Jaha. Please come here. And Priya Dash, please come here. And I would like to request our GM sir to come here. So have a big round of applause for this evening, for this wonderful evening. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, please come here. We would like to lighten the lamp. No. Have a big round of applause. Thank you so much. So please come. So we'd like to felicitate Priya Dash. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now we would request Madhu Deborma, please come here and take the honor. A very big round of applause, please. So now we are going to lighting the lamp.
First of all, I will say about Brezza.
So I would like to request our.
So I'm sorry to interrupt Rima once again. So we are here to launch Brezza 2026, much awaited model from Maruti itself. And Maruti has done a lot of changes in this vehicle basically. Changes in the sense, जैसे पहले क्या था, Brezza was a vehicle which was considered as the highest segment, high priced vehicle. But अभी क्या है कि जैसे Brezza जो है आपकी इसका जो प्राइस हो गया है, that is approximately 749. The entry segment जो इसका अभी प्राइस हो गया है, that is 749, and this will help the buyers जो भी पहले Brezza अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे थे, उन सब के लिए जो है, it is a matter of proud that Maruti has launched this vehicle at 749. तो ये टर्बो का जो वेरिएंट है ये आपका 749 में लॉन्च हो जाएगा और 749 अगर इसका एक्स शोरूम प्राइस है तो आप मान के चलिए 9 लाख के अंदर ये गाड़ी जो है आपकी ऑन रोड आ सकती है, जो कि पहले आपका टॉप मॉडल जो है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 13.5 लाख के आसपास जिसका एक एक्सपेंडिचर था. सो मारुति हैज मेड दिस व्हीकल मच मोर अफोर्डेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्राइस एंड देयर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन प्राइस सॉरी इन फीचर्स एज वेल, क्योंकि अभी जैसे पहले इसमें जो एक सनरूफ था उसके बाद जो आपका इसका क्या नाम है फॉग लैम्प्स थे वो सब के सब 749 के अंदर आप लोगों को अवेलेबल मिलेगा. एंड मोर ओवर क्या है लाइक फॉर द यंग पीपल who really want to drive this vehicle in a more enthusiastic manner, those people can buy the turbo engine option in this particular vehicle, and that is priced in a competitive manner. And ये गाड़ी आप जहाँ भी जैसे भी आप ये यूज करेंगे, जैसे कि मैं देख रहा हूँ I have few customers who are very young and inspiring, so for them this vehicle is made. So after some time we'll be unveiling this vehicle. And I hope कि Maruti is able to stand on the expectations as per the customer base. Thank you.
So please do the honor.
इसमें दो है, एक एक्सप्रेस है.
मिडिल में से रख दीजिए. তো প্রদীপ প্রজ্বলনের মাধ্যমে আমরা আমাদের সন্ধ্যাটাকে আরো সুন্দর করে তুলতে চাই. Thank you so much, everyone.
So 1, 2, 3.
So now I would like to call our SRM Kuldeep Patadar to come here and say something about the Brezza. Come here. Have a big round of applause for him.
Thank you, Rima, for giving me the opportunity to explain and elaborate about the features of our Maruti Suzuki Brezza 2026. So, good evening everyone, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, a very warm and heartiest congratulations from the team of Pallavi Motors to be present here and giving you precious time to this launching event. So now I'll go with the specifications of the Brezza. As you all know, Brezza was one of the and also is one of the most trusted SUVs in Indian market, who are trusted by 14 lakh families for their relatives and their families. So the thing is that this new Brezza is so much appreciable in so many ways. The first thing first comes its bold design. We are offering a front grille with a new finish and a sharper LED DRLs with LED halogen LED projector headlamps and 16-inch dual tone alloys. And the second thing is the most important thing is the safety, and this time Maruti Suzuki has not done anything lacking behind regarding the safety, because we are providing 6 airbag standard in across all variants of the Maruti Suzuki. So for us and for Maruti Suzuki, you and your family's comfortability and safety is our first priority. And last but not the least, Brezza is offering more features like 360 degree camera, HUD display, rear cross traffic alert, safe exit warning, front parking sensors, and brake energy regeneration. Like we are also providing idle start stop in CNG variant as well. And most important thing is that this Brezza is giving us the most thrilling feeling, and we are giving 3 engine specifications like 1.5 liter petrol engine, 1.5 liter CNG engine, and 1 liter turbo booster jet engine for those who likes thrill and power. That's all, and I am resting my speech here, and I will hand over the mic to our quality care manager to proceed with the further programs. Thank you.
So now we are going to cut the cake and make the evening more beautiful. Please come here.
Mo agin se naitok ke senam ka mo muka bin bus kang do yang padi kisah pun padi yang tiga pun pasti deh padi yang nor noko tong ti nasi do Breza ketal nongko mana mahai agin baita am fel lain di padi sa asu jang na rok kam khara ka senam ka display bottom ma khara ka yang pun deh Pari, asu jangan rok. Oke, bonus side penula, pula hasil ke tangga. Yang ukluk pun padi. Mau bini ukluk. Single piece apa ya kaisa? Mau matro 7,39,000 গে 3 বারে এক্সেলেন্স নাই যতন হামবাই